It's only for free IELTS. You get me well there?
Yep. The first
I'm
one.
just wondering, islanders, you or not?
Still.
Okay, section 1, once more, writing, yeah? Writing. One word, only one word, no more than it. And,
Or a number.
yeah.
Or a
Okay.
number for each answer.
And there is no question here. There is no questions here.
It's just
This is
a
a-
paragraph.
Something, there is no questions. Immediately blank. Immediately blank. So you just need to understand one sentence, what does it mean? And then try to answer what it tells. You cannot try to wait the questions like in TOEFL. There is left.
I see.
In TOEFL, you will be asked. You'll be asked,
Yeah.
what does the man mean? What does the... But here, no. They will talk sometimes. In section 1, it's just like conversation. So they just make some conversation, and then we need to notice the line that actually blank here, and then just need to fill what actually need to fill here. If you wait for the word, you'll never meet it. You just need to understand the meaning, the context, and then try to find the context through in conversation. You cannot wait. For example, you wait for number 2, cause of main hall for Saturday evening. You wait this sentence or you turn off this word, you'll never meet it. You'll never find it. If you wait, okay, let's wait for the cause of main hall. Yeah, 90% you cannot find it. If you can find it, you're lucky, but it doesn't, what's it like? It doesn't make you like a trick or tips. No, it is mostly understand. Must understand, so that's why you can answer.
I see. So in section 1, there is no question or whatsoever, so we just have to pick up the entire conversation and fill in the blank.
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay.
That's why there is no tips and tricks about that unless you are. So you want to improve it after you understand the condition or the situation like this. After doing some section 1, so you may try to practice by your own to keep improving. Let's see in section 1 how many numbers that you can feel correct. Okay. So what do you think about section 1? Do you have some questions related to it?
So it's basically just a conversation that we have to pick up, and there is no question or whatsoever in the end. So as the speakers go on with their conversation, we have to pick it up and fill in the blank immediately. We don't have to wait until the conversation is done. Is that so?
Yeah. And sometimes for a whole number like number 1 to number 10, they are talking immediately to number 1 to number 10. Sometimes they are dividing to sections. So section means that sometimes it could be like number 1 to number 3 verse, and then you'll be given some space or some time for around 10 seconds or 13 or 15 seconds, and then you just get the new voiceover to start. And you continue the listening it. So you not immediately 1 to 10. And sometimes number 1 to number 5 first. After that, they will be giving you some, some space time to think about that, and then to notice the next blank or the next questions, and then